Good morning, traders. This is Sanim Jalose. Compliments of the new season. Yes. Happy New Year. We'd like to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, guys. I just want to show you one of the tools that I use to monitor all the pairs or all the pair combinations. Okay, so basically, it's a tool that can enable you to monitor all the 28 pairs in one screen. Yes, 28 pairs in one screen. Basically, it's two gems that I use here. Okay, these are like sort of like my cheat sheets that I use when I'm trading. So number one, it's a Forex Profit Supreme. Yes, Forex Profit Supreme. As you can see, the list CHF, CAD, dollar, euro, GBP, JPY, NZD, and Aussie. And then secondly, also I do have this indicator right here. It's called the CCFP. It's called the CCFP. So basically, how I use the CCFP is, in fact, how I use both indicators is I monitor the strongest versus what is weak at that particular time. So in this particular case right now, CHF is very strong, Aussie is very weak. And then I come back again here on this side. I can clearly see this is Aussie in green, and then this is CHF in yellow. So now, if I were to look at this, now I have to go and analyze Aussie CHF, because these are the pairs that we're having movement in right now. So instead of me flipping from chart to chart and looking at all the charts individually, so what I do prefer is just to monitor this dashboard and be able to pick up what trades are moving at that particular time. Because I'm an intraday trader, this is a very good tool for people that are trading during the day, because you avoid looking at everything and trying to monitor all the pairs, which is like a nightmare. You can't be watching 28 pairs at once. You are not a computer, and it's going to be very difficult. So this is basically not a trading strategy. It's highlights where there is movement in the market at that particular time. This is important for intraday traders. As you can see right now, there's GBP is flipping back down, it's dropping, right? And you can see the dollar in white is actually starting to strengthen as well. So it's right now, it's actually worth it to look at GBP USD, because you know also there's a movement there, and you can clearly see there's GBP and there's USD. USD is the third weakest, sorry, third strongest. GBP is actually the fourth weakest, even though really this is not really the best trade. You want to look at the very strongest or the second strongest, very weakest or the second weakest. That's where you get you know what, very good trades. I mean, I can't explain further about this because I'll be basically, you know what, giving out exactly how I trade, which a lot of people get confused and start asking me a million questions. But the purpose of this video, guys, is to show you two sets of indicators that can help you monitor the trades. Guys, why these particular indicators? These are strength indicators. These are just not normal moving average or this and this. This identifies what is happening in the markets right now. I know I'm not a big fan of indicators, but yes, there are some gems that work very well. There are some indicators that work very well. So after I get this, then you know what, usually I shift and go and analyze exactly what's happening, right? Especially right now, if I go and look at GBP USD, as I said, that GBP is weakening, dollar is strengthening a little bit. As you can see, there is a drop. Here's one bar, here's the second bar, that is dropping back down. So we can clearly see there is a slight movement on dollar to the downside on a 15-minute chart. Okay, guys, I know I've shown you a lot of softwares as well. You know what, the best thing that I can do right now is to refer you to people that can clarify this further. I'm not into teaching right now, but if you need to understand a little bit about this and that, the best thing is maybe I can refer you to people that I know, to reputable trading you know what, guys online or wherever. But I'm not actually teaching people to trade. I just wanted to show you this gem quickly so that you can you know what, maybe you can understand it better and use it and make money with it. It's a very simple tool. So this is where the day started today, and This is yesterday. You can clearly see yesterday news Aussie was very strong. So yesterday Aussie was very strong, and you could have traded easily Aussie against GBP yesterday. As you can see, GBP, it was actually going down. This crimson or the reddish line was weakening, and also yen yesterday was very weak. So you could have traded those two pairs and made your money. Right, guys, this is Salim Mdlalose. Where do you get these tools, guys? It's entirely up to you now. I've given you the tools. It's CCFP and Forex Profit Extreme, where you get the indicators, where you download them or where you find them. It's entirely up to you. That's your homework from your side to go and search for these indicators. I've given you a very good clue, so it's up to you guys to work very hard. I mean, it's trading. It's not easy. We worked hard to be where we are right now and to be making the monies that we're making. The end of the day is it's entirely up to you. You are the one with the final decision. As I always say, share this video with your mentor, share it with your friends, share with your cousin, share it in forums. Guys, share this video. That's all I'm asking for. Share the video. Okay, Salim Zalose, stay blessed. I'm out.